The long-awaited Galaxy S22 Ultra has finally been released by Samsung. Here's a list of every content that is included in the box. Samsung has finally revealed its long-awaited Galaxy S22 lineup: the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra. These three flagship phones have a lot in common, but each of them is aimed at a different category of users. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is the most distinct out of the three, and it comes in 4 vivid colors to choose from: black, phantom white, green, and burgundy. It's the highest-end phone out of the lineup and starts at $1,199. Additionally, you may be wondering what content is included in its box, so let's unpack it together. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, in the color you've chosen. S Pen, inside the phone. USB-C to USB-C cable. SIM ejection tool. Region-specific documentation, including quick start guide. Yes, that's all. Phone manufacturers have slowly been including fewer and fewer items in their boxes. They state that it's to reduce waste and take better care of the environment. First, they started removing earbuds from boxes, then charging adapters followed. It's yet to be seen whether they'll eventually stop including cables as well. If you have already bought a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or plan on buying one, you may want to consider buying a case to protect it. Scratches and cracks will only ruin its premium look and feel, and no flagship device should have to go through that. If you still haven't purchased one yet, we have compiled for you a list of the best Galaxy S22 deals out there. This phone comes with a 40MP front camera, a 6.8-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate, an S Pen, and 4 rear cameras. It runs the latest One UI 4.1 and supports 5G mobile data connectivity. It's the best phone to buy out of the three if you're looking for a great photography device with stylus support. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the top flagship for 2022, bringing over top-of-the-line performance, display and camera capabilities alongside S Pen capabilities to deliver an ultra experience for power users.